Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face creation for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys how to do a cut crease look. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Blonde. Comment down below if any of you are interested in me making a separate video on how I shape and fill in my eyebrows. Next, I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Nudes eyeshadow palette, which you can use any palette you have as long as you have a color that will match your eyebrows. And what I'm doing is I am filling in pieces of my eyebrows just to cover up any patchiness. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using the Bring Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm taking just any fluffy brush and blending the lightest color into my crease, slightly blending in an upwards motion. Not sponsored with BH Cosmetics, but I highly recommend this palette. The pigmentation is amazing. I barely have to touch my brush into the pan to get color, and there is zero fallout. It blends beautifully. I love this palette so much. I'm blending in darker greens into my crease to create transitioning colors and depth. Now moving on to creating the cut crease, I'm taking my foundation concealer and putting some on the back of my hand. You want to take a small flat-ended brush and start from the inner eye and dragging the concealer along the natural crease of your eyelid. Now some people like to completely round out their cut crease, but what I like to do is I like to wing it out towards the end of my eye, so when I do my winged eyeliner it all lines up and matches. I then blend out the concealer I just added on my eyelid with a beauty blender. Once we are finished creating the cut crease, we will be moving on to eyeliner. I like to use the NYX Epic Ink Liner. It has an easy applicator tip and it helps me a lot achieving the winged eyeliner look. I know some people have a difficult time achieving the winged eyeliner look, so I plan on making a video in the future on how I do my eyeliner more into step-by-step detail. I decided to take the lightest shade of green and applying that to the lower lash line. I'm then taking a white eyeliner and I'm applying that to my lower waterline. This just gives the effect of making your eye look larger. Now that we finished the eyeliner, we're going to throw on some eyelashes. Moving on to the face. So I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going to carve out my non-existing cheekbones. I like adding the powder to my forehead and like underneath my chin, just to kind of add some color to my face since I'm so pale. After contouring, I like to follow in with blush. I just kind of go for a more like subtle nude pink color. This one has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it's kind of works as a highlighter too. But of course, we still need to go in with highlighter. I'm using BH Cosmetics Blacklight Highlighter Palette, and oh my goodness, you guys need to get this palette. It is absolutely amazing. I have never had any other highlighter work this well. I like to highlight my cheekbones, I like to highlight the tip of my nose, and I also like to highlight my Cupid's bow. I'm sorry guys, I promise I'm not trying to flip you off. I'm going for a basic nude lip, so I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. Unfortunately, I don't know which shade it is, but I love that this liquid lip isn't heavy and it's not drying on the lips at all. Now last but not least, I'm going to put on my 3-in-1 hangover spray from Too Faced. It can be used as a hydrator, a primer, or setting spray. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!